Hey, thank you for downloading the one-page structure selector cheat sheet. Check your inbox in a few minutes. We're gonna send that copy straight to your email inbox. In the meantime, I want you to watch this video right here as I show you the exact steps how people just like you are learning how to set a strong business foundation without the confusion of picking between a sole proprietor, LLC, or corporation, or figuring out which structure is best for them, or to even how to register an actual business. To make sure you're in the right place, this is the same exact strategy we use current fire alarm technicians that's in the fire alarm industry wanting to start their own fire alarm business, security industry professionals looking to expand in the fire alarm industry, and also aspiring entrepreneurs that's looking to start in the fire alarm industry. With this approach, they've been able to build a strong business foundation, avoid costly mistakes, and confidently move forward with their business goals. And this isn't just theory, this is what's actually working right now in the fire alarm industry. So let's dive straight in. If you're like most aspiring entrepreneurs in the fire alarm and security industry, you already know how challenging it is to actually build a business, especially a fire alarm business in a crowded market. The business education space is flooded with courses, coaches, and everyone promising you this is how to succeed. Every day I hear the same question for people looking to start their business. What type of business structure do I form? How do I form a business structure? Where do I register my business? If any of this sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. There's only three main reasons why entrepreneurs struggle to actually build a strong business foundation. And that's not knowing whether to choose a sole proprietor, LLC, or corporation. They're also uncertain about which structure is actually best for them. And lastly, they're confused about the process and actually how to register your business. But these are just symptoms of a bigger problem. The real problem is lack of clarity and no step-by-step roadmap to get you from one point to the next. That's why I created the Structure Selector, a simple system to help you get set up quickly and correctly. So step one, we learn how to choose the right business structure. Step two, we register your business and get you an EIN. And step three, we show you what bank accounts to open and how to apply an accounting system into your business. And this is only the first step of the fire alarm business blueprint that would actually show you how to grow, scale an actual fire alarm company. So here's how we help our clients step by step. Stage one is the foundation building. There we have the structure selector, the license navigator, and the insurance strategist. Stage two is the growth strategy, where we show you how to become a market monster, how to obtain vendor credit, and also how to get yourself certified as a minority vendor. And stage three is the expansion opportunities. There we show you how you can navigate the government sector, how to become a brand architect, and how to get funding into your business so you can scale it to the next level. If you're ready to take the exact steps you need to take to grow your fire alarm business, book a call at the link below. In just 30 minutes, we'll identify what's holding you back, map out a step-by-step strategy that you can take today, and determine if you're a good fit for the fire alarm business blueprint. And this is only for the people that are driven to innovate and improve, open to collaboration and feedback, and is definitely passionate about technology, entrepreneurship, and fire alarm. If any of this sounds like you, then click the link below to schedule your free strategy session. I look forward to speaking with you.